Hey, this is Lynette Bledsoe from LynetteBledsoe.net, and I am coming to you guys live from my home office here in Texas, and today we are going to be unboxing Luxury Divas. So definitely stay tuned and let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is actually an accessories and fashion box. So if you guys haven't heard, Luxury Divas is a monthly subscription that is only $25. I saw this one on YouTube, on a couple different videos on YouTube, and it just was like I couldn't believe that you're getting all of the things that were in this box. It's kind of similar to the other subscription that I have. I saw belts, I saw jackets, I saw a tank top. So I was definitely curious because I couldn't believe that they put so much value into that one box. So I would definitely put their link in my description box below. But I'm super excited to share this one with you guys. So let's definitely take a look and see how it comes. So it comes in a box like this. You guys can see, and it's a very, like I said, it's a very big box. So let's see what is inside. Okay, so all right, so I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek as to what is inside, and this is how it looks. You see the tissue paper. There is actually a lollipop, so that's super fresh. Looks like St. Patrick's Day. Yeah, I almost forgot. And then there's a couple different things in here. So let me get these booklets out of the way. And this says, I'll show you guys real quick. This is just a postcard. It says, "Welcome to our club. Thank you for subscribing to the LD accessories box. Show some love and tag Luxury box with LD box," and a picture, and you know, has their Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And then this is a booklet. I'm assuming, oh yeah, it shows you the things that were featured this month, so you guys can take a look and see the things that you could have gotten, and I'll put that to the side just in case I'm actually unboxing anything that has a description within it. Let us get rid of this tissue paper. Give me a second. All right, so let us see. And here's how it looks inside. So there you go. That's more goodness inside. So this is, let's take a look. So this is Nikki, who actually put my box together. So thank you, Nikki, for putting my box together. And there's a note. Let us see, because I saw a couple other folks who unboxed their box. They had like a personalized note, and I know for sure none of the subscription boxes that I currently get give me a note. So that's one, talk about customer service. That's one thing that people love, personalized notes, and you guys can see that right there. So thank you, Nikki, for taking the time to curate my box. Oh, this is funny because you guys, this was actually my birthday gift to myself. My husband asked me, what did I want? And I said, I actually want a subscription box. So my husband paid for 3 months of this box. I definitely am excited. So it says, Lynette, someone told me it was your birthday month. Enjoy a little something from your new friends at Luxury Divas. Much love and birthday wishes. So thank you guys at Luxury Divas for that. And oh, this is very surprising. This is actually, they gave me a Luxury Divas birthday gift card. So they gave me $10, and this says happy birthday, Lynette. So I'll share that with you guys. That was very nice. You see, sometimes it's the most personal touch that takes it to the next level. So that's where I was after watching different unboxing videos online, especially my girl Abadab. She is such a cute person. She shared this one, and I'm always hesitant to start different boxes because I have to do my quote-unquote research just to make sure it's legit. But after I saw a couple videos from her and a couple other people, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and dive in. So that's why we got 3 months, just so I can check it out. And this one seems like it's something I'm definitely gonna keep for myself. So this, let me see, it also had a paper here. It says the details, all yours to keep. So that's another thing I'm sorry I did not mention. This is $25 per month. And if you don't want to do the monthly box, you can do a $30 box. So if you don't want to commit, that's okay. I wanted to commit because sometimes you can't tell if you like a subscription box just by 1 month. So that's why I prefer to do the 3 months. So this is everything. You pay $25 and everything inside the box is actually yours to keep. So I don't even know where to get started. So let's get started with the first thing I see here. And this actually, before I open it up, I should show you. So this came in a little jewelry bag. And this here is, I want to look at the description to give you guys the right information. Hold on. So this is give me a second, and I think, oh, I took it apart by mistake. Okay, let me put it together while I'm reading. This is a black and gold tassel knot. And I'll leave it like this so that you guys can see how it looks, so I don't waste a lot of time trying to put it together. So I'll leave it like that so you guys can see. So hold on. Oh, and I took it apart anyway. So the long length of this chain combined with the added tassel is the perfect highlight over your favorite sweater or dress. So that's how that looks. And let me just put this together so you guys can see how it looks. You guys kind of get an idea, but I want you to see how it looks on a chain. So there you go. So it's that long, and that's the end of it. So I am totally digging this. This is very unique. I don't have anything like that, so I'm definitely excited to try that. And let us see what else is in this. And you get, actually, this is like a velvety bag. So that is like super impressive that they would put something in a velvety bag. So this is a navy blue braided elastic belt. So that is what it looks like. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I don't have any belts. I haven't worn belts in a very long time. Not that I don't like them, I haven't worn them. So I'm definitely excited to try this on for sure. And this actually, you ever get a belt and you like, it doesn't fit after a while? This is elastic and it actually stretches. So that's very, very useful. I can definitely, I'm gonna actually wear this today because I have to go out and go get a couple things at the store. So I like that. That's number 2. Well, that's actually number 3 with the gift card, but we won't add the gift card to it because the gift card was actually something for my birthday. So thank you guys. But so far I like the necklace. You have the belt, and let us see what else is next. And we have, now guys, this is my jam. I love booty socks. I don't like big socks. I live in Texas. I'm originally from New York, but I used to live in Texas and New York, and you know, if you're from the Northeast, you know you have no choice but to bundle yourself up. Ever since I moved down to Texas back in 2011, I seriously am always in shorts. We don't wear a lot of winter clothes here. It's one day it's cold and the next day it's not. So this is my jam. This is everything that I always wear. So let us talk about these socks. These are Modere knit 2-pack no-show socks. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to give you guys the value of the necklace. So the necklace value was $18 and the belt was $15. These socks, I'll tell you them in a second. Hit it nicely in any shoe. The pack of no-show socks combine comfy and cute with their marbled knit design. Wear with low cut sneakers, loafers, or flats. Tip, small but mighty no-show socks keeps your feet smelling fresh with their sweat absorbing qualities. So these are actually $12. So I like them. Very, very great. I can't wait to add that to my sock collection because I definitely love socks too. And then the next thing that we have here is a palette from Emerald. This is the 15 color eyeshadow palette, a basic mix of shimmer and matte eyeshadows. This simple palette proves itself an ideal traveling companion. Tip, avoid oily lids, creasing, and shadows fading by applying an eyeshadow primer to your lids first. This is value again of $17. So that is how the palette looks. And let us open up this one and dive in. gonna cover the mirror so you guys don't get blinded by the light. And that is a very, very colorful palette, as you can tell. And I will definitely, can't wait to try those out. I've never gotten a palette by Beauty Creations before, so I definitely am open into trying this out. So that was $17. And then the next thing that we have here are 2 scarves. Now, I don't know how to wear scarves, so I would definitely be watching some YouTube videos on how to rock some scarves, but I'm definitely open. I like putting things like this on my purse, but I'm definitely open into trying out on how to rock some scarves with my outfit. That was the purpose of me getting these different fashion accessories, because these are things that I probably wouldn't go out and buy, but if I got them, I would definitely be open. So let me talk about the scarves. So this is, if you see them here, one is it looks like a greenish one, and then the other one is like pinkish purplish. So the 2-pack of silk scarves, prepare for spring with a colorful silk scarf. Roll diagonally, link both together at their centers, tie at the ends, creating a layered infinity scarf. Tip, wear in your hair or as a headband, tie it in a bow around your ponytail, around your neck for a pop of color, or tie it around your handle of your purse to take your look to blah from Bravo. So definitely open to to trying this out, because I definitely have done the scarf on my purse before, so I can't wait to try that. And okay, this is kind of what I was waiting for, because I wanted to see what color I would get. So I knew what was coming in this box, but I wanted to see what color. And they gave me red. Do you know that I have a handful of things that are red in my closet? So definitely this is super awesome. I will definitely be trying this on. I'll try this on, probably to the left or the right. You probably see that it's on. I'm gonna give you a thumbs up if I like the way that it feels, and if I would wear that outside. I'll give it a thumbs down if I don't like the way that it looks. So you guys probably seeing that right now. So this shirt, let me give you guys, it's a cami, and I believe from what I saw in other videos, I believe this is a one size fits all, I think. Let me see, this is a $20 top. It's a cami. And let me see, accessorize with your cami and make getting ready so much easier. This cami features an intricate gauging crisscross detail on the neckline. So this is actually how it looks when you're wearing it. So that's really good. And so $20 was this. So I definitely loving the color. As you can see, I love colors. Not crazy colors, but I love wearing colors just because it makes me brighten my day for me. And let me make sure. Okay, so the very last thing we have here is a black cardigan. So I actually don't have a black cardigan. I got another cardigan in another subscription box. So definitely happy to get this, because here in Texas everything is air conditioned. So a lot of places that we go, it's like hot outside, and then we go inside, it's like freezing. so I will try the cami with the cardigan. Again, you may, depending where I put it in the video, you may have saw it already. I'll give it a thumbs up. I'll put it together so that you guys can see how it looks. I don't see why it wouldn't fit me. I don't see why either one doesn't fit, but I'll give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. So overall, let's see, we got the value of everything. The total retail value, thank God I don't have to do math. So the cami, I believe I said it was $27. So the total retail value, as you guys can see there, it's $128. So you pay $25 and you get $128 worth of stuff. All I can say is, oh my gosh, if you guys don't have this box, I'm telling you, this is definitely one. If you're like me, you kind of don't want to commit yourself to things like Trunk Club or Stitch Fitch, where you have to send things back. I just want to get I want to add to my closet little by little every month, because I work from home, so I don't need an extravagant closet worth of clothes. I just need things that look nice, decent when I go out. So if overall, I would definitely recommend this if you haven't tried them out. I'll put their link below, but definitely $25 to me was well over worth the clothing, the accessories, the stuff that I got. So I would definitely recommend this. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on the next video.